Happy birthday to you.
Oh, you cheated.
Happy birthday to
Why is this in a chair?
you. Happy birthday, dear Emily. Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha, Charmin.
Yes, I did.
She was wishing that it wouldn't catch my hair on fire.
Now do
This is a lot of
do
smoke.
like, ooh,
Drew,
yeah. Do like Drew and stick your
Beep, beep,
tongue
beep,
in
beep, beep.
it. Ew, no.
What just happened?
You tell them what just happened.
No, what just happened?
Can't talk.
What just happened?
I farted when your face was right here.
And mind you, that's a bungee chair with spaces and yeah.
Yeah, my butt like goes through the holes.
Dude, so is
Oh,
mine.
dude, it does.
So does mine. That's why I love that chair. Alright, so we just got done shooting the video and I drank shots of water. That was the most water I've drank in a while. That was like 3 shots too. I was like, get drunk, and then I fell out. Like I burped and I fell. Like the stool fell too. It was perfect. It was perfect. I wanted perfect. And you laughed. You didn't laugh that much, so it's all good. Oh, there's a chip on the camera. That's cool. We might have to retire this one. I don't even know. Probably not. Yeah, maybe not. And I drank straight dust. It's gross.
Straight dust.
Straight dust.
Straight dust.
Ugh. That was... Filtered water is good. Toast to finishing. Drink up. Sweet success.
Oh, girl, no, you didn't party. Really drunk.
I lost it.
I really don't know what this has to do with me, but I fucking love it. Picture of a girl in a day.
Nice. Your rating? 6.5.
Last one was better.
What's your number rating?
You're a disgrace.
What's your number rating? 0. Now at Burlington Coat Factory, just 50% off today. And now the long strive of editing. Have fun. Boredom sucks! Exclamation. Save. Oh, whoops. Projects. And save. I'm gonna edit, and then I'm gonna go to sleep, and then I'm gonna edit some more. So, good night, guys. Have a good one. Bye!